Hi guys, today it is time to film another Mongoose jewelry unboxing. For those of you who aren't aware, MintMongoose is a jewelry subscription service where the base plan, you get 3 pieces of jewelry every month, and every month there is a theme, and it always comes in a teal envelope, and it's super cool. So for those of you who aren't aware, I decided to start doing MintMongoose because I really like the jewelry I used to get in Nadine West, but none of my other boxes were really doing jewelry once I quit Nadine West, so I was like, you know what? There's a solution to this, and that solution is MintMongoose. So like I said, every month has a theme, and it comes with some sort of illustration or picture on each card, and then on the back it tells you about the theme. So we'll go ahead and dive on in. It says, "Hi there, this month's sit is inspired by a very special person in my life. It is amazing the impact that one person can have on you. I met Margie when I was 15. She owned a group of local newspapers. Because my dad knew I loved writing and grammar, no joke, he introduced us. We hit it off from the get-go, and what began as just for fun editing of articles on deadline night in exchange for free pizza as a teenager transformed into an internship, which led into a job as a college student, which blossomed into a career as an adult. I was Margie's right hand for 10 years before branching off and creating MintMongoose to give myself more time with my kiddos." Pause. I'm gonna let Sophie in. You might hear her yelling, so just one moment. Anyways, in our time together, Margie transformed from a boss to a friend to a mentor and now to someone who is like a second mother to me and the best grandma to my kiddos. She is protective, caring, wise, and selfless. She has been there for me through the ups and downs of life, and she means so very much to me. The blue in this set is in celebration of Margie, who has a blue house, car, and office building. The gem in the middle of the main necklace resembles her encouraging, warm, and uplifting nature. The twists in the secondary necklace and earrings of the set resemble the countless times she has rolled with the punches of life, persevered, and come out stronger than she went in. I hope the set inspires you to hug, treasure, or remember a special someone you have met that has changed your life or encourages you to be someone special to someone else." Very sweet. Like I normally get done reading that and I was like, I love it. It's my moment of zen. But this is, I feel like, a little less moment of zen and more just like, how heartwarming. Hi, Sophie. Anyways, so each set in the base plan includes 2 layering necklaces and a set of earrings, and for whatever reason, a Werther's original, which I always enjoy. You can choose what metal that your jewelry comes in. I usually just choose Surprise Me because I personally think that I can rock all metals because of my skin type. But you can choose between gold, silver, and rose gold, which it looks like this month I got the rose gold set. So it'll take me a minute to unwrap all this plastic, but I'll show you the jewelry as it becomes unwrapped. As I undo it, you know what I mean. Stay tuned. Ooh. Okay, so I think this is the main necklace. I'm really digging the pendant, mostly because I really love teal. It's one of my favorite colors, and it is very pretty. So here is the main pendant. It's very pretty. There's that little like rhinestone or gemstone, whatever it is, right in the middle of it. We'll go ahead and put this on. I was hoping it was big enough that I could just put it over my head, but I was wrong. And something else I haven't mentioned yet is that all of their necklaces are adjustable. So you can decide exactly how long you would like it. Slash, it doesn't really go with this top, but it's cute. It's pretty. I dig it. Okay, so here is the next necklace, which also looks like it's a little bit of a pendant. And this one seems very, very short in regards to the first necklace that we unboxed. So here is, it's that twist she was talking about. It's like a cube, but like a twisty cube. I am so good with my describing words today. We'll go ahead and put this bad boy on, and I'm actually a little, this is so short. Hi. Katie has the zoomies right now. This is so short that I'm afraid it's gonna be like a choker, which it low-key is. So I'll just get closer to the camera for this. But it's very cute and simplistic, I feel like. There you go. You can see this first necklace and the second necklace, and they're both on their shortest setting. I was gonna say lowest setting, like it was an oven or something, but it's not. And then right now I'm gonna go ahead and open the earrings. Now the earrings I probably won't actually put on since I'm already wearing some very festive Christmas earrings, but I'll go ahead and show you. The earrings do look like they're a little derivative of the second necklace that we just opened up, and that they are, instead of cube, they are triangle cylinders. I feel like that's the correct geometrical term for it, but they're just twisty triangles and they're cute. Love it. Anyways, if you've made it this far in this video, again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching my videos, please consider doing all the things that make it more likely for for YouTube to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, other things. Kitty's being very cute right now. I'm so sorry. I'm very distracted. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays, guys.